Not entirely sure if the problems are related. Correlation does not always equal causation, but I bought this cheap fuel pump relay off of Amazon. It worked. I let my car start, but it was causing an open circuit issue, which I then replaced it with a genuine, $70 fuel pump relay from Napa, and almost all of the engine codes that I had for camshaft, position, implausible signal, fuel pump relay open circuit are now gone. So moral of the story is sometimes buying cheap can be okay, but in this instance, just go with the genuine part.